Sandra Rojas, shampoo Rapunzel.
My product soft clothes.
Hi, my name is Evelyn Cáceres and my product is Soft Aroma.
Hi, my name is Alejandra, my product Cleaning Family.
My name is Diego Alejandro Castillo y mi producto es Kit.
Mi name is Jaina y el producto es Suave para mi hogar.
My name is Julia Pinzón. My product is Suave J.
My product is Softener y Clean.
Hello, my name is Joan Sebastián López Acevedo. Is suave, está en español. If you want to look clean and comfortable, come here of clean and soft.
Hello, my name is Matthew. The leveraging product smells good.
My name is Fabian. My product is Proclean.
My name is Carol Marie. My product is Forclea.
Hello, mi name is Nancy Franco. My products aromatiza tu vida.
My name is Daniel Antonio Canticlaraque. My product is Limpia Express.
My name is Jasmine Villarraga. My product is Jacinta.
My name is Miguel Narváez, curso 602. My product is Wonderful Clean.
My name is Justin Cuadro y producto Superacción.
Good night, my name is Kay. My product is Soy Ponte.
My name is Fabio David Morales Basto. His product, my product is Limpio, Clean Your Home.
My name is Jamie Carolina Velandia Boya. My product is Leani Pizza.
My name is Nicole Trujillo. My product Magic Power.
My name is Miguel. My product is Contec. My product is Newer.
My name is Raisuli. My product is Desinfectant.
Hi, my name is Javier Andrés Mestanera and my product is a Soy Mess, a soft cleaner.
My name is Laura. My product is Natural Gold.
My name is Daira Flores. My product Siempre Limpio.
My name is My product is Aroma.
My name is Maomi. My product is Limpia Max.
My name is Cristian Trujillo. My product is Desinfectant Infallible.
My name is Sebastián Rodríguez. My product is Clean Nice.
My name is Sofía Villegas. My product is Soy Texture.
Hello, today I am here to talk about a very effective cleaning product to clean your home. Aromas, the new product you need in your home with an aroma like no other. This product disinfects up to 99% of the bacteria in clean and life you fall with a pleasant aroma. With lavender and scent.
If you are looking for a product that leaves your clothes with a scent that lasts, you found the right one. Yes, it is the Clean, a product that aromatizes, care for, protects your clothes, always leaving them like new. You will love it. The Clean. The product you expected to find economical and of the best quality. When you try it, you will not change it. Try the clean.
Hello friend, today I want to talk to you about a new product. It to say is a clinic, it's a new long-acting, super action, multi-purpose, disinfectant, which take care of your hand, floor and clothes, fighting deer, virus, fungi and bacteria, living in free of to 99.9% pleasant aroma. Compared to other products, this is as you say, see we save time and money. The way and battery, living in free of to 99.9% with a pleasant aroma. Compared to other products, this is as you say, see we save time and money. The way I urge you to try the new product at the time.
Oh, hello! Are you looking for a fabric softener that leaves your clothes soft and perfumed? Come on! Look, New Earth is what you need. Just one cupful of New Earth will be enough to leave your clothes with a delicious fragrance and softness that will last for weeks. If it smells delicious and feels so soft, it's New Earth.
New disinfectant.
Limpio.
Hi, Mr. Jose. Are you selling floor disinfectant? Yes, Paulito. I have the new floor disinfectant. Limpio.
This is Limpio, the new floor disinfectant antibacterial cleanse. Not only remove dirt and the grime, but can also kill disease-causing germs. Chlorinate cleaning products protects against seasonal flu and brings in episodes of foodborne illness with essence lemon.
Thank you, Mr. Jose.